This will be a camera test comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now both of these phones have triple cameras, a regular lens, a telephoto lens, and a wide-angle lens. Two of the lenses have OIS on both, the wide-angle on both do not have OIS, and up front, Galaxy S10 Plus has a dual camera setup, one of them just being a depth sensor, and the OnePlus 7 Pro has a pop-up camera that pops up from inside the phone. So I went ahead and took a bunch of pictures. In good light, in low light, I took some video around sunset, tested out the stabilization on both phones, testing out the audio on both phones, just to see which phone has the better image quality and video quality overall. And also considering the price, Galaxy S10 Plus, this one is essentially $1,000 plus. OnePlus 7 Pro starts out at $670. So how much of a bang for a buck can you get with a OnePlus 7 Pro in terms of camera performance when compared to a true flagship like the S10 Plus? So we're here to find out. Took a bunch of pictures. Let's check them out right meow. So this is a little video test between the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Galaxy S10 Plus. So let me know if the audio quality. Right now this is the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm gonna switch over to the S10 Plus right now. So take a listen. Let me know which audio sounds better when you listen to my voice. Alright, so I'm just out here. Kind of windy right now, kind of cold, but it's all good. Just kind of pan around. You can see there's the sun. So I'm in this medium lighting kind of situation. So I'm just out here enjoying nature. Alright. So I'm gonna point to the sky. Let me know if the dynamic range looks pretty good from the viewfinder on both. Okay. OnePlus 7 Pro. Just focus there. Let me see. Take a look at that bird. And there's a plane right there. So let me know if the dynamic range. Alright. See the sun again. Kind of peeking through that cloud. I gotta say, it looks a little bit better exposed on the viewfinder of the OnePlus 7 Pro. But once I get these on the computer, I'll find out for sure. Let's go into the plane again. ambulances here. It's kind of parked, I guess. Let's go over here real quick and have a look. Look at that. It's an ambulance parking lot. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is just going to have a little bit of a walk. This empty parking lot, empty part of the parking lot. Let me know if the stabilization. So I didn't really change any settings, it's just the camera stock right out of the box. Alright, so I'm gonna walk fast. It's more like a fast walk. Looking at the viewfinder, the S10 Plus looks more stable, but let me know in the comments. Alright, I'm gonna see some houses right here. Up in the sky again. Let me know the dynamic range. Alright, so I'm gonna run. Let me know if the wind noise, how that sounds. Wow, it's really windy right now. It just picked up. Alright, that was a little running test. I'm gonna go over here. Go ahead and film these. Alright. So let's see. Let's do a little autofocus test. Stand right here. There it is. I'm gonna go out. Okay, OnePlus 7 Pro a little bit slow, I think. And then out again. There you go. Let me know. Alright, so let's check out the front-facing video right now. Alright, so here's front-facing video. Just have the camera pointed away. So let me know of the quality. I'm gonna look at the sky again. Let me know of the dynamic range, the front-facing camera. Again, no changes, just stock settings. Open the camera app, press record. That's all I did. Should be in 4K though, I think. There you go. So let me know in the comments below which camera you thought performed better overall, the OnePlus 7 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and will that influence your purchase decision between these two phones? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.